How to create pins for Pinterest using Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create pins using Canva. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different options right here. We can go ahead and choose whichever one you want. You can make similar looking pins on Canva, but if you come over here onto canva.com and you just simply search for pins, you can also find some other options as well. Like, it's very simple. You come over here, you just simply search for Pinterest right here, and it's going to pop up right here, right? You type in Pinterest and it's going to come right here, Pinterest pin, and you just simply click on it. And then it's going to show you a bunch of these different templates, as you can see right here. And you can go ahead and copy them or create them, or you can just take this option and then edit out of the elements and maybe change it a little bit, and there you go. So it's very simple. So now let's go ahead and create them, and I'll show you how you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and click on create a design, and over here we'll search for Pinterest, and we have Pinterest pin right here, but we're going to choose this one right here because this one is in a vertical format. So this is ideal for Pinterest. So it's loading up right here. So first things first, we'll go ahead and add like a background or an image. So we could search for Pinterest right here. We could find different options, or we could just simply search different styles as well, or elements. It depends on you. Let's go into elements, and maybe I could find like a different shape. And also I would just want to change the color as well. It's white, but I want to give it like an off color, you know, a little bit of yellowish color or whatever, something like that. Yeah, there we go. Now what we can do next is we could add some type of graphics, like maybe a woman or a man, or a figure expressing wow or idea, something like that. Let's see, in graphics, so something like this. Now some of these elements are pro, right? They're only available in the pro section, but most of them are available for free, so you don't have to worry about that. If I use a pro element, it doesn't mean that you have to as well. You could use a free one. It just depends on your creativity. So let's go ahead and maybe we'll select this one right here. Let's lower it down a little bit like so. I think that looks good. Maybe we put her right here. Now what we want to do is we want to add like a heading or maybe some other elements as well. And we also would like to add like a ribbon. Let's go ahead and search for a ribbon. There we go. So now we're going to search for a different type of ribbon, like something like this, or actually something like this. This could all actually be used as a heading in itself, so you don't have to worry about that. You could add texts within this right here, this element. Yeah, and this could also work out as well. 30 good business ideas, something like that, or great or small business ideas, or small 50 or 50 great business ideas, something like that. It works. It depends on you what you write. And this looks good, but I think maybe we could change the color up a little bit, like so. Maybe we could give it like a pinkish color, maybe. And it's a little bit warmer as well. So something like that actually looks good. There we go. And also I want to add some elements in the background as well. So maybe like another ribbon. Let me actually search right here, see if we can find something like this one right here. Actually, this one looks good. We'll just capitalize it a little bit and twist and turn it maybe. And we'll actually send it back. Yeah, something like that. As you can see, it looks really nice. Maybe if we could enlarge that a little bit more and just give it something like that, just to give it like a little bit of more element. There you go, much better. If you want, we could also turn it, but I think this looks good, much better. And also we could add other elements as well, like these, maybe like a little heart emoji as well, right over here. Or we could go with this one, or this butterfly. It depends on you, like these right here. And we could move it right over here, put it on her cheeks. Yeah, that looks much better. And also some hearts as well, but these are very asymmetrical. Something like that actually looks good. Yeah, there you go. It was very weird, but it looks much better now. Next, what we could do is maybe we could add like a few other dollar signs. Go ahead and search for dollar signs right there. So something like that. We could go ahead and add here to here, right here, or maybe we could add like an animation type of dollar sign. See if we can find that. Like this one right here, the money flying, but we'll put it right here in the corner, lower it or smaller. There we go, much better. We also have some other options over here, and maybe we could add this neon sign as well. You know, can we twist and turn it? There we go, something like that. Put it right over here, or something like here, and we'll just put it right here. And next, what we could do is maybe we can add some text elements right here. So here we go. We'll put this right here, and we'll say best or 50 best. Actually, we'll just say 50 right here and put it like that and make it bigger like so. Also bold it and change the fonts as well. Make it appropriate like this one right here. We'll say 50 and another text as well. We'll put it right here. There we go. I actually made the sign on the background a little bit bigger. Let's lower this out a little bit like so. Trying to fit them right here. This one actually does not look good. Maybe we could change this font right here and see if we can find something better, something clearer. All right. And also Pinterest, people are going to be using Pinterest on their phone. So that's why you got to make it a little bit bigger so that we can see that on the screen as well. So something like this, I added a bunch of graphics and just simply going to put the dollar sign here. I mean, it looks a little bit weird. Maybe we could find something else. But generally speaking, I think this looks good. You could also go with this one right here and just add that right there to make money. That represents money. So there we go. I think that looks good. So something like this, right? This section right here is a little bit empty. So maybe we could put something else like a laptop. So let's go ahead and search for a laptop within graphics like so. And we just put that laptop right over here, because it felt empty. So I think this looks much better now. So this is just, of course, an idea. This is just an expression. So you've got this, right? This is how you do it. And once it's done, what you could do next is you could just simply download it, right? And click on download, and you could download it as a JPEG or a GIF as well, like this one. And you can just simply download it, and then you can paste it on Pinterest like so, like all these other ones as well. So you don't have to worry about that. It's very simple, very easy. So that's how you do it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.